Good morning. Good morning. We're here in the water round for the sunrise.
And we saw so many stars last time.
Everyone is already on the top of the rock to see the sunrise today. So it's still early here.
We're in Mars.
We're in Mars. This is what they called like feels like in Mars when you are here in water.
I can see our ball.
That's where people.
Oh, I thought you were playing that mountain.
This is it.
الصبح
Careful, ha?
برم
Turn.
This.
Put it in your pocket. You have a pocket in there. And then, may mga camp din doon. Yun. At saka din. Ah, meron din pala doon, oh. Yan. Mga camp. Punta ka tayo. You wait here, ha?
Why?
Because I will go there and then come back, okay?
I want to go.
Okay. But I have to climb, like, look at that. It's
I
a
like
little
that.
higher. Let's go. I will show you the other side of this rock. Huh? Ang dali. Ethan wants to come. Dali ka dong, diri dong, this side dong. Dali. Adventures kasi Ethan, oy.
I'm a little scared because I think I'll fall.
No.
I want to help me.
Oh, nice pala dito. Okay, you go up from here.
Oh.
It's easy to go down.
I keep getting water
It's
on my
okay.
feet.
It's not water. Sun. Sun is cold. You feel like it's cold?
No, not anymore.
Water. It's nice here. It's still early in the morning and it's chilly. So, best weather pa naman. So, ito yung ano namin guys. Truck. Pickup truck. Okay, let's go!
Mama, I need my phone so I can video.
camp here.
Because some people eat cactuses. Maybe this is a part of
Ano to? What's in here? Is this where we're
This
going?
is a part of the cactus.
Going in a cave.
Again. Wait.
Oh, it's just. So where is this?
Uh-oh.
'Cause-
Alyssa, look. Look at this small cup.
What is it? It's a
It's a tea.
blow like this. You blow the water.
Yeah, blow the water. So you go like
Blow the water and drink. Blow, 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 blow. Ayan sila. Eaten. But, wow. Yung ano, yung mountain naggaganyan siya. Parang nagka-triangle pa ganyan. Nice. Wow. Para siyang natipak na ano ba? Na rock. Pa-open. Oh, nagkadikit yung mountain. I think that's the only way. I think that's it. This is part of the Wadi Rum. You can see this big, beautiful mountain rock. Tsaka dito guys, oh, maganda yung view. Yan. Super ganda ng view.
stay here.
Ah, there's nothing na daddy.
I need to see.
And there's more mountains. Sa Dubai, puro mga sands. Dito sa Jordan, mga mountains naman. A lot of mountains. Ah, may mga camp din pala dito. Dito yung camp nila. Oh. Ganda ng weather. Malamig.
What's the temperature that's cold?
Ah?
That is sometimes cold.
Because it's winter time. It's almost winter time. Ito guys, ang rock na to is may formation siya na mukha. This one. But it doesn't look like in the video, but I think from angle to angle. Kasi from there, para talaga siyang face. Pero pag nandito na, hindi na siya. Oh.
Where's my mango thingy?
So only that side has the face image. So we will just like have a picture from here. Dito guys, so wait.
Daddy,
Ayan.
green thing. Look,
Ayan. So, tignan nyo guys, wala na siyang
Daddy,
mukha.
I found a green thing.
Ang ganda pala dito sa Wadiram guys. So, this is it. Ang friendly nila. Nag-good morning sila sa amin.
I dropped my gemstone.
Oy, get it. Sayang. It's your remembrance from ano. Ang cute ng bubble tent. Ganito yung room namin guys. I will show it to you later. So magbe-breakfast muna kami.
A breakfast.
Going to have a breakfast. Open it up. Come, let's go get the food. Oh, egg. Good egg, good bread. I think this is the cookie. You can have an egg. There's a bread.
And I need that.
So this is our tent. Bubble tent, guys. May mini fridge dyan. At then, bed ni Ethan. At saka ito yung view from the window, or what do you call that is. Tsaka my shelf. At tsaka ito yung CR, guys. Medyo madumi na siya. So yan. Beautiful, beautiful room. So bye for this camp. We're on our way to Ama now. So see you. Bye, Wadiram. Bye. See you next time. Dito na kami sa Aman, guys. So ngayon papunta na kami ng Mount Nebo.
Can you do it? My game.
This is Jordan, yeah.
Memorial of Moses. Oh, tignan nyo guys.
It's so salty, nothing. This is so
Dead Sea.
yeah, this is
There. That's where the like water there. Bethlehem, Jerusalem. Over there. That's where you will see.
Do you understand?
Spanish? Latin? Those are mosaic guys. May mas. Olive tree of Pupop dyan.
Do you know there's actually
Let's go.
some
Olives.
24, yeah.
24 years?
Yeah.
Oh.
This
Daddy,
small.
this olives is 24 years.
what?
Amazing.
Olives for 40 years?
Wait, what's here? It's like a museum. Ang Madaba, they are also known for their mosaic. Kaya madami silang mga ganito na mga arts. Nice. Itong stone na to guys, hindi ito yung ginamit na pang sirado dun sa libingan ni Jesus, but it's the same thing. Ganito yun, exactly like this guys, yung pangtakip dun sa tomb ni Jesus. Mabigat to guys, sobrang bigat. Guys, tapos na kami sa Mount Nebo. We're on our way now sa Dead Sea. So, I'll see you there.
It's better if there was a goat sign.
Yeah,
So people know they're crossing.
Yeah. Going to Ramada Resort. Thank you so much. So we're going to have lunch first before we're going to go swim. A zero, yeah. Thank you. Ready, go. Okay, go. Huh?
It's a little pole.
Is it? It's okay. Jump. Ready, go. It's low. Nice, Ethan. So, let's go, guys. We have to take this bus. Hi, Ethan.
Hi.
Ethan already swim in the pool. Ito na, guys. Tatry na natin ang dagat nila. Welcome to Dead Sea. Huh?
3 meters below sea level.
Ito pala yung clay. Sorry, I did not clay.
No problem.
That's the clay.
What for you have to listen? Why not that black side color? Why not that black color?
Taste it. Go.
Listen, Ethan, don't put your head under the water, okay? Because it's very, very salty. It will really hurt your eyes if you put your head under the water, okay? But if you just float in it,
He has a cover.
all right?
It's your turn, Daddy. It's your turn. It's your turn.
Really is super easy to float. Even going like this, it doesn't sink.
Even you sit down, Tan. Even you sit down. Like that. Even you do like that, you won't sink. You won't sink. I'll take you to daddy. Dali.
The guy said no deeper than that.
Ah, okay. Here lang, Deka. When when your mouth in the water, ga like this. Don't.
Just lay on your back and float. Or lay on your stomach and float like this.
Close your mouth. Really tight. So,
Just really like that. It already had been in my mouth.
really? So let's give it a
It's
try.
even impossible to sit.
Can I? Is it okay to pee here?
Yeah,
Joke.
just
Just kidding. Is it cold? No, it's not cold.
No, some place it's mostly warm, but some places you hear it cold.
Woo! No. It's legit, guys. Super legit. Super legit. Let's try like this. Oh, what? It was hard when I was doing like this because I have to hold breath on. But legit talaga siya, guys. So, see? Mahirap siya mag-ano, guys. Yung nakadapa na posisyon. Mahirap ilagay yung paa mo pababa. Turn tayo, turn. Turn.
Forward until the water's right here. Go ahead.
Tignan yung dalawang tao, guys. Para nang siguro. You try the front, daddy, front.
Already tried the front.
Yeah, you did.
Hmm?
You did. Try the mud. They said it's good for the skin. 20 minutes for close na daw. Is this?
هذا طبي هذا مفيد للجسم مفيد هسه ناخذ منه
You have to dry it first. Ethan.
Hi.
A muddy Ethan. Is it like it's a nice feeling to squeeze it?
Yeah.
Try. Dry na. Look here. Dito yung paliguan nila guys. After mong mag-swimming sa dagat. Para ma-wash off yung salt ng katawan mo. Tsaka doon yung CR. Yan. Ito naman yung waiting area ng bus. Ang ganda setting. Waiting area. Wait kami sa bus guys na mag-pick up going back to the resort. So, let's see.
Mama, can I see?
Doon yung papunta sa resort guys.
أظن يا أخي هذه العمر
يعني
جبال طين ترى.
Ah,
صح. ها؟ جبال صحراوية. يعني يطلع منها الطين.